Hello, welcome to Cooking with Debs, and today I'm making a cheat quiche crust using oil and flour and water. So I've got a cup of flour in there already. I'm going to add another cup, and to that I'll add a quarter cup of oil. I'm using sunflower oil, you can use vegetable oil. Start mixing that around with a fork. Now, I invented this recipe one day after a bit of googling around, and I just wanted to make a really quick and easy quiche crust. It's a real tongue twister, but I just couldn't be faffed with all the rubbing in and having to refrigerate and stuff. So I'm going to measure a quarter cup of water, and I'm going to add in probably about half of it to start with. Bring it all together. A little bit more. Right, at this point, I'm going to put some in my quiche dish. And I'm going to squish it down. As long as it's not too crumbly. If it's a bit crumbly, you can add more water. You don't want it too thick. You want it too thin. I haven't used all of my quiche crust mixture. It's going to depend on the size of your pie dish. I probably should have used a cup and a half of flour, but this was the amount I remembered the liquid ingredients for. So I'm literally pushing it all over, pushing it up the sides, filling in any gaps, and then I'm going to pop it into the fridge, but not for exceeding amounts of time, literally for the amount of time I will spend to make the quiche filling and the everything that goes in there. So you can like and subscribe, and that way you will be able to easily find the link to the quiche video when that comes up. One little thing I do want to talk about actually is best before dates. I've got these eggs that I'm going to be using in my quiche, and I was given these by a friend because she didn't want to use them past their best before date. She had too many eggs, she wasn't going to use them. These were best before about a week ago. However, best before, especially with eggs, cup of water, jug of water, take your egg, pop it in very gently. If it sinks down to the bottom, it's still good. It will probably be standing up on its end, not laying down. A fresh egg will lay down. This is standing up on its egg, which means it has got a little bit of an air gap in there. If it was floating, I would throw it away. It wouldn't be a good egg. But because it's sunk down, I know that these eggs are perfectly good to use, even though they're a week past the best before date. I just thought that might be a really useful tip for someone. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.